Hello, in this video we're going to talk about using the Powerschool mobile application to better monitor and track your child's academic progress. So I'm going to launch the application and it's going to come up. If it does prompt you, the district code is DDMK and then just your normal parent Powerschool username and password. But as you can tell, my daughter Lisa, she's doing really good. She's already got a couple A's and B's so far. A lot of parents then want to know, are there any missing assignments that I need to know about? Well, the fastest way to find out is to scroll down under assignments, click on status. And you're going to see, Lisa's missing quiz 3 from her math class. I need to talk to Lisa about where this missing quiz is. If you have multiple children, at the top right, you can just click on your child's name and toggle over to the other child. And you can tell from here, my son Bart, he's really doing a great job this year. 3 A's and a B. Thank you for watching our quick Powerschool training video and have a great day.